2016 is so back, and so are you. Welcome home. I've missed you. It is so fascinating how much we all collectively find so much comfort in nostalgia. What a time to be alive. There's some people that don't understand that era. And yet here we are. You might have just seen my lips and be discovering my face for the first time, my voice, my songs, How did we get here, guys? I want to know, because there's thousands of you commenting saying you remember this era, it takes you back to your childhood. Firstly, where have you been? And secondly, what are you up to now? I'm desperate to know who you've become. What are your passions? I've seen from thousands of comments that I played a part in inspiring so many of you to get creative, to pick up makeup. Some of you have said that you created a whole career out of beauty, and it started with watching my videos or my lip tutorials. I find it mind-blowing, incredible, and I'm so proud of you. And this video or series, we'll see where it takes us, it's about you, because I want to find out more about you, about the people in my comments that connect through this feeling of nostalgia, because there's nothing like it. And we all collectively feel the same, like if you get it, you get it. What's crazy to me is that so many of you are just joining now. And we've done a lot in between, by the way. The people that think that I've hid my face for all this time, no, I think you just discovered me on a channel that was regurgitating my tutorials. I've always shared my face along with my lips, and I've documented all sorts from my music career. I'm a singer-songwriter. I've had 2 babies and documented it on YouTube, and so many of you found me through that journey, which is incredible. I'm just so proud of the community that we continue to build. This is a safe space for you, and it's so heartwarming to see the impact and experience how much this whole thing has changed our lives, like social media, the beauty industry, creators, artists, entertainment, everything. I want you to know that this is a safe home for you to feel seen, to connect. Yes, we bask in the nostalgia because nothing quite hits the spot like the good old days, but we're committed to growth around here. We evolve. One thing I love is how much we've connected on mindset and how fundamental it is to have a positive outlook. I mean, life's, don't get me wrong. It's no secret I've documented some of my trials and tribulations, and we overcome it together. That's the beauty of this space, and that's what I've been missing. Chatting to you guys in long form, YouTube family. This might seem a little bit out of the blue, but for context, my videos from the good old days, 2014 to 18, they've been blowing up on TikTok, Instagram. It's reconnected me with like thousands of you. It's reminded me of why I started, and it's made me so proud of the journey. Like, we really have come a long way. It's made me so proud of you, whether you've seen that or not, or whether you have only ever been a YouTube subscriber, and I'm sorry for leaving for so long. I can't believe it's been a couple of years since I've uploaded on YouTube. We've got a lot to catch up on, and we will. I want to let you in again. I want to answer your questions. I want to ask you questions. What are you up to? I really want to use my skills, my experience. Like, we've built a lot over the past 14 years. I've built YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, a whole community, a wig brand, a makeup brand, 2 humans, a whole home, and I've had a divorce, a few relationships, embraced my queerness, a whole other story. And I actually think I'm ready to share these stories. I really want to use my platform for good. Like, I want to help you guys build your dreams, inspire you to achieve your goals. If I can help with anything, if you're an aspiring creator, you love makeup, beauty, interior, like there's so much. Parenting, oh my gosh, I'm so passionate about parenting. We've touched on mindset, but like, I really don't take this all for granted. Like, if it wasn't for you, I genuinely wouldn't have all of this. And yes, I'm proud of myself for showing up and ultimately creating, but I wouldn't have any of it if it wasn't for you. So thank you so much. And I think it just kind of dawned on me that I want to nurture what I've built, my community, you guys. I think that's what I've realized, like, out of everything, my biggest passion is lighting you up. I feel like I have the ability to spark inspiration and purpose and create light bulb moments in people's minds, and it is so fun and so fascinating, so rewarding. Oh guys, I'm feeling so nostalgic. Like, I'm just thinking, yeah, the lip tutorials are great, but how to apply a wig, how to contour, another chapter, another era. I'm so excited. I just love makeup so much still, guys. Like, do you remember me doing my makeup as soon as I went into labor, because it regulates my nervous system with both babies. As soon as I went into labor, I started doing my glam, and the glam lasted the entire birth, both times. If you don't believe me, watch the birthing vlogs. But like, it just is so relaxing to me, like regulates my nervous system. I feel the same feeling like when a painter is expressing themselves through their canvas and their paintbrushes. Like, this is a real art. And I really believe that if you love makeup and it's your passion, if you love beauty, you can create a career out of it. You can create a career out of whatever your passion is. That's something I'm passionate about. We should be getting paid to be us, paid to be you. You are gonna get paid to be you. This is gonna be your new mantra. Don't even get me started on mantras. Just getting carried away. I do my affirmation cards every single day. We do affirmations in the mirror with my girls. I pull them out on my stories. I've done them on my YouTube videos before, and it's not stopped because it's rewired my brain. So pick a card, any card. Start with this one. Period. I am enough. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Say it out loud with me. I am enough. Hold on, I need to concentrate on this part because we're about to do one swoop liner. Sorry, but that is one of my superpowers. And this is, I don't even know if they do this liner anymore, but the NYX Epic Ink liner is actually better than this one. Wait, why have I just done a 2016 liner? That wasn't meant to happen. Not me saying it's a superpower. This is not how I do my liner now. I am possessed by the spirit of 2016, help me. I don't know what's just happened, guys. I usually make it more feline. I can't believe that what we're gonna do is lean into it and smoke it out. And yes, I'm still using the Huda Beauty palettes. This is the Pretty Grunge one. And I don't even know how old this is actually. That's better. I'm also loving these lashes. I think they're like fairy wispy lashes. I got them from Amazon. I just put like one little individual, well, 3 little individuals on. I'm using the length 16. So I use 2 16s and then 1 14. I'll link them below for you as well. I've got like a little Amazon storefront with lots of my nostalgia products, like from lip nostalgia to the freckle pen that I've used, these lashes, and genuinely products that I have been repurchasing over and over again. I love discovering amazing products on Amazon. It's like 2016 meets 2026. Thank you very much. A moment for the lips. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Peel Off Lip Liner. I've actually only used this once for the first time yesterday and I am obsessed. I'll link it below for you. This is in the shade Aura, of course, and then I also love the shade Haze. And the lip gloss I'm using is the Hydra Gloss by Kiko in shade, oh, it's rubbed off, but I think it's shade Orchid. Makeup is tea. I feel a bit bald. I can't decide what to do with my hair at the moment. Like, I've just slicked it back because the roots are grown out, the pink is washed out. Do we stay pink? I've been using my hair extensions and wigs, and then I've been pink for a while, but it's grown out a bit, and do we do something new for the new era? There's loads of things I want to film, from vlogs, home, and also something a bit different. I want to help you guys more with your passions, with what I have learned and experienced throughout the years. So I'm gonna think more about that. But leave any questions below. I will respond to them all. I wanna give you a hug. I feel like I'm gonna cry. What on earth? It has been a long time and this does feel... Maybe I won't even upload this, no. No. Feel the fear and do it anyway. Come on, we've not come this far to come this far. kind of bared my soul on YouTube and then shut myself off for a couple of years, and it does feel daunting to open up the door again. But of course, I will share what I'm comfortable with. Me just coaching myself through this. What's the affirmations got for me? I give myself permission to be unapologetically myself. It couldn't be more perfect, in fact. So I feel like that's a perfect note to leave it on. Thank you so much for being here, for sharing in this journey. I'm excited for what's to come, and I'm so proud of you. Give yourself permission to be unapologetically yourself. Love you.